in a case where the market is your bottleneck, you need to take the orders that you have and create an excellent experience for your customers that you do have. You must try to identify, we call it the unrefusable market offer. It is an offer that's so good that you present it to your customers and they divert more work to you because they say, wow, this is
Hmm.
exactly what I need. I've been hurt by some practices in the past. Now you are doing it um, perfect for me. An example could be a machine shop may identify the type of customers they serve have a lot of downtime of their plants. If that plant is Coca-Cola, an hour of downtime can be millions.
Right.
So if they are the supplier and they promise a 24-hour turnaround time, or they pay penalties, or there's a discount, that type of market offer can have a big impact to get Coca-Cola to give them a much bigger slice of the pie than what they're currently getting. So we start with that, and that opens the market as well. So marketing becomes a big part of this because as you improve inside, you don't want to lay off those people that improve because now you can't get enough market. You must do
Right.
always do the two together so that you can stay in tune.